sabihin ng Nuan, yung sa Kapampangan word, yung blessed, ganon. Siguro ganon yung ng Nuan na blessed, parang pinupuntahan siya ng mga tao. Hindi ko rin, kahit ako, hindi ko alam kung ano merong karisma yung Nuan, ganon.
The general manager of Nuan Farm and Resort in Bacolor, Pampanga, believes that despite the challenges the business have faced due to the threat of COVID-19, their resort remains to be blessed, which, quite literally, is the English translation of Nuan. Nuan Farm and Resort is located in San Vicente in the old Pampanga town, Bacolor. It rests 10 minutes away from the city of San Fernando, a quiet destination away from the hustle and bustle of the city life. From a small family villa, which was built originally for personal use, the 1.6-hectare piece of land has been developed into a full resort, which boasts 7 villas with private pools and 2 common pools.
Yung Nuan Farm and Resort, actually, ano lang talaga siya, for family use lang talaga, pang personal use lang talaga. Kaya lang nung makita ng mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, nakita nila yung location, yung area, meron siyang potential. Nag-start siya September 2017. Ayun, in-encourage sila ng mga kaibigan, kamag-anak na ba't di mo i-develop na yung resort talaga siya.
But the resort has more exciting things to offer. It's also a place for people to gather and celebrate special occasions, like birthdays and weddings. Rich with green scenery and surrounded with fresh breeze, this spacious Nuan Farm and Resort is also a go-to place for events and a postcard-perfect spot for that moment you want to treasure forever. With guests booking their reservations at least a year away from this special day, Nuan Farm and Resort is undoubtedly high on the list of event venues here in Pampanga.
3 rooms lang, pang personal. Tapos, nagdagdag siya ng 2 villa at saka isang pool hanggang sa na-fully book siya yung maraming pumupunta. Hanggang sa nagdagdag pa na naman siya ng 2 villa. Tapos sa function hall, si Mr. and Mrs. Chua kasi marami din mga kaibigan kakilala yan. Ngayon, yung mga suppliers natin, kasi yan, mga partners natin, kumbaga. Halimbawa sa mga events, meron silang, halimbawa yung coordinator, meron silang client, sa amin dinadala, gano'n. O kaya mismong client, magsasabi sila ng mga event place, tapos pipili yung client. Sa tulong ng mga suppliers, na-market yung Nuan. Sa ngayon, meron tayong 2 function hall. Yung Aslag Hall, ayun, ginagamit din nilang pang-intimate. Pero yung capacity na umabot na hanggang 250 packs. Pero sa ngayon, 50% lang yung inaalaw ng government. So, hanggang 125 packs, kasama na yung mga suppliers. Yung Nuan Hall, yung nasa unahan doon, sa bukana ng gate, yung design niya parang elegant yung dating, gano'n. Kaya depende sa gusto ng client.
While things seem to be sailing smoothly since the resort opened in 2017, 2020 told a different story for the business. Like many businesses around the world, the pandemic has greatly affected its operations and profits. Employees had to close the gates of the resort temporarily due to restrictions brought by COVID-19. It was quiet for a few months, with only employees entering the premises to maintain the facilities. Come July 2020, the resort reopened, initially serving clients who had to postpone their reservations because of the pandemic.
Kasi hinintay muna namin yung permit namin sa DOT. Mga July, alam ko July siya na-issue. Yung mga ibang events, nakabook ng matagal na, before pa nakabook na sila eh. Ngayon nagpa-move lang sila ng mga date. Yun yung mga sinerve namin noon. Halos, buti na lang yung owner ng resort, meron siyang ibang business. Kung wala siyang ibang business, siguro talagang siya shutdown muna yung yung Nuan. Ayun na, nag-abono siya. Ilan din, malaki-laki din siguro yung inabono sa namin kasi wala nang pumapasok na income, puro expenses lahat. Nakapag-survive, salamat dun sa kabilang negosyo ni boss. Hindi natin masasabi totally na nag-bounce back na or lumakas na, humina, ganyan. Kasi yung merong mga lean at saka mga lean season, ganyan. Merong time na, halimbawa yung sa summer niyan, expect natin yung maraming magpapabook, gano'n. Ngayon kung halimbawa sa summer, mahina pa rin, baka sa sa pandemya talaga.
But the pandemic wasn't the first hurdle the resort had to overcome. Mr. Gozon admits that it was a bumpy road at first because not a lot of people are familiar with the place. So, marketing it was a challenge.
Naging namin challenge yung kasi parang wala man talaga sa plano na wala man talaga sa plano na gawing resort. Tapos hindi namin alam kung paano namin i-manage, i-handle. Pero sa tulong ng mga kaibigan ni na boss, yung mga event suppliers, yung mga halimbawa yung mga caterers, yung mga stylists, yung mga lights and sounds, ganyan, binigyan kami ng idea kung ano yung dapat gawin. Tapos yung mga function hall, sila din yung nagsabi ba't di ka magtayo ng function hall, ganyan. Kung titignan mo nga, parang malayo sa sibilisasyon yung lugar, no? Pero yun nga, nagtataka din. Pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao. Kuminsan nga, meron akong naririnig na mga nagsasalita. Meron palang ganitong lugar sa Bacolor, ganon.
A few weeks well into 2021, the resort has been recovering. In fact, they have opened its largest villa yet, with 5 rooms that can accommodate up to 40 people. An in-house coffee shop is also set to open this year. A new playground has also been set up for kids who can enjoy the resort when the situation and the government eventually allow them to go out. Good words from previous clients have helped keep the business afloat, and their presence on social media has also been a big help in marketing the resort.
Marami talaga sa Facebook. Marami nag-i-inquire, tsaka maraming tumatawag. Yung nangyari kasi, parang yung mga dating nagpabook dito, nag-stay dito, sinasabi sa mga kakilala, ganyan. Tapos, dami nag-i-inquire.
But they had to adjust, especially because of strict government policies in relation with safety protocols like social distancing and travel restrictions.
Unlike dati, pag nagpa-book yung mga tao, yung mga nag-i-event, matagal pa eh. Usually, 1 year, ganyan. 1 year bago yung event. Ngayong pandemya, halos mabilisan. Halimbawa, magpapakasal siya ng January. December lang siya magpapabook, tapos agad-agad, gano'n. Gano'n yung nangyayari ngayon. Sa mga nagpapabook, kung galing sila ng ibang lugar, kailangan silang yung meron silang health declaration, health certificate, or yung rapid test, ganyan. Pag galing sila ng ibang lugar, tapos meron pang ini-issue na travel permit. Kasi yung nagiging problema lang kasi kung dito sa Bacolor, pwede silang pumasok. Yung sa area naman nila, baka hindi sila makalabas papunta dito. Ayun. Pero kung ano yung sinasabi ng government, kung anong gustong yung mga protocols nila, yun sinusunod namin.
Still, Mr. Gozon hopes that their recovery will continue, as they too continue to improve their facilities for clients who are looking for a place to relax, bond with their loved ones, or hold their intimate gatherings.
Bali, meron tayong 7 villas sa mga accommodations. Yung mga villas natin dito, iba-iba yung yung pagkakagawa. Kumbaga, walang identical na villa. Yung merong mag-accommodate ng 21 persons, merong pang 12. Tapos merong yung ibang villa, merong mga rooms, ganyan. Yung iba naman parang barkada type na villa. Yung wala isang lang siya, mga bunk bed sila, ganyan.
Guests who wish to relax in the historic Bacolor town in Pampanga should definitely check out Nuan Farm and Resort in Barangay San Vicente. Here, they have different rooms and villas that can suit their needs for a night stay or two. The resort's Nuan and Slug function halls are ready to be occupied and styled as the clients wish, for families or couples hosting intimate events to celebrate their milestones.
Para po karing bisang mag-relax, muntata na po kening Nuan Farm and Resort. Dakal tamo po Villas Kenny. Karin pong mangailangan naman venues para karing okasyon. Dakal tamo atin tamo naman pong function hall Kenny para king birthday, kasal, binyag, reunion. Kaya nananuta pa po, tara na po, muntata na po kening Nuan Farm and Resort, kening San Vicente, Bacolor, Pampanga.
Don't miss the chance to watch this episode on social media. Like and follow our official Facebook page at CLTV36Official and Business Unusual with Sonia P. Soto. I am also inviting everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel at CLTV36Official for more Business Unusual content. Ako po si Sonia Soto, out with business as usual, in with business unusual.